Learning English language doesn't have to be complicated all the time. You don't need very big and fancy words to communicate with people. But you can sound natural while speaking and using very simple and easy English vocabularies as well that people often use in their daily routine. It's me, Sumbul Rizvi, an English language fluency expert, and welcome back to my channel, Hisam Academy, your go-to channel to learn English language. So in today's video, I am going to provide you 30 useful, easy English expressions that you can easily use in your daily routine conversations. Because these expressions are very easy, very short, so it would be very easy for you to completely understand them and then to use them. So for example, if you are chatting with one of your friends, or for example, if you are texting someone, so you can easily use these expressions. Before starting this video officially, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn English language on daily basis. And one more thing, that if you are watching this video, so you can avail amazing discount using HISAM20 code. Yes, that's a coupon, discount coupon. You can use it and then you can drop me a line on WhatsApp. The number is shown on your screen and definitely you'll get a really good discount offer. Let's get into it. So the first one is I am not sure. Now this is one of the easiest English expressions that we have, and you can simply use it whenever you do not know the answer of any question. Like for example, if someone asks you this question that when is the class or what is the time of the class, and for example if you do not know, so you can simply say I am not sure. That's true. This is once again very simple expression. You can simply use it whenever you agree with someone or whenever you agree with someone's opinion or statement. Like for example, if you are talking with one of your friends and she is telling you that today is really cold. And for example, if you also feel the same, so you can just simply say, yeah, that's true. It means that you also think that today is really cold. I don't know yet. It simply means when something is not decided. We do have one really good expression for that when something is not decided, and that is up in the air. Like something is up in the air, it means that it is not decided. But because right now we are just focusing on how to make your sentences in English, and they are going to be very simple sentences. So that's why for now you just need to learn the sentence that I don't know yet. It means that when something is not decided. Like for example, if one of your friends asks you this question that are you going to the party tonight? And for example, if the plan is undecided and it is not confirmed, so you can simply say I don't know yet. Maybe later. Now this is a polite way to say not now. Like for example, if someone asks you once again another question that do you want to go for a walk? And for example, if you want to say no, not now, so politely, simply you can say maybe later. Let's see. That's once again very simple and easy English expression. Let's see. You use it when you rethink about something or when you check something. Let's take one example. For example, if you are working in a group, and let's suppose that your group members are asking you that Sumbul, do you think that we can complete this project today? And for example, if you want to think about it, so you can say, yeah, sure, why not? Let's see. So let's see simply means that yeah, I'll think about it, or yeah, like we can check this. That makes sense. That makes sense. It simply means when you agree with some situation or when you understand some situation. Like for example, once again, if you are working in a team and let's suppose you guys have been working for hours and hours and hours, and for example, if your groupies are very tired and now they want to take a break, so you can say that yeah, like that makes sense. It means that yes, now we should take a break. Sounds good. So it's a very friendly way to simply say okay. Like for example, if one of your friends asks you this question that Sumbul, let's meet today at 3. So you can say, wow, that sounds good. It means that you also want to agree with that friend and you are saying, oh, okay. So simply say, sounds good. No problem. No problem is simply used when someone thanks you or when someone apologizes you. Like for example, if one says that thank you for helping, so you can simply reply them by saying that no problem. So no problem simply means that it's completely fine. It's okay. Now this one is quite similar to the previous one, but you can use it when someone specifically apologizes you, or for example they are being sorry for something. Like for example, you had to meet with one of your friends and she is actually late. So she can say that I am so sorry for being late. So you can simply reply her by saying it's okay. So it means that okay, like no problem. So it is quite similar to the previous one, but it's just another phrase. I get it. I get it simply means when you understand someone's situation in which they are right now. Like for example, you actually went to one of your friend's house and like she was not in the mood to talk to you. So her mother told you that actually she's really tired and that's why she's not in the mood to talk to you. So you will be like, ah, okay, I get it. It means that yes, I do understand her situation and I get it. Now few expressions that you can casually use if you are talking with your friends or like in your informal settings. So for example, if you meet someone and for example if you want to ask that how are you, so instead of saying simply how are you, you can simply say how's it going. How's it going simply means how are you. So for example, if you meet someone, so you can say, hey, how's it going? So that person will reply you that, yeah, good. What about you? I am doing well, thank you. Now this is the answer of the previous expression. Like for example, if someone asks you this one that, hey, how's it going? So you can politely and very nicely reply them that I am doing great, thanks. What about you? Now this is an expression that you can use when you want to ask the same question to that person. Like for example, if person A says that, hey, how's it going? So person B says that I am doing well, what about you? Okay, so it means that now person B wants to ask the same question to person A. So now he can say, what about you? Long time no see. So this is a really good expression that you can use if you haven't seen someone in a while. It's been more than a year and now you are meeting someone after such a long time. So you can say, hey, long time no see. Let's catch up soon. So this is a very good phrase. I use it like all the time. So it is used when you want to suggest someone meeting for one more time. Like for example, you can use it in your conversation in a way that it was such nice talking to you. Let's catch up soon. So it means now you are suggesting that person that we should meet one more time. I have been busy. Now this is the expression that you can use when you try to explain someone that why you were not in touch with them, right? Because sometimes it happens that our friends ask this question that where have you been? So you can reply that I have been busy. It means that I was busy, that's why I was not in touch with you. Same here. We all use it all the time. So it simply means when you agree with someone. But if you actually agree with someone like very quickly within no second, then usually people say, or then people usually use it. Like same here. Like for example, if I say this thing that I love coffee and if you also love coffee, so you will be like same here. Okay, so same here is usually we use when we agree with someone, but we actually agree with that person very quickly, then we use it. That's interesting. Now this is once again very common, but usually people use this when they hear something new or something surprising or something exciting. Like for example, if someone tells you that I used to live in Japan, so you'll be like, oh wow, that's interesting because this piece of information is new to you. That's why. Another way of saying that's interesting is, oh, I didn't know that. So you can use I didn't know that when you actually get to know something new or surprising. Like for example, if one tells you that, do you know that he speaks 4 languages. So you will be like, oh, I didn't know that. That's amazing. Okay, so you can make your proper sentences, and you can just simply say, oh, wow, like I didn't know that. So it means that you got to know something new now. Now for your expressions that you can easily use whenever you have some plans. Like for example, you can say, are you free tomorrow? Now this is one of the expressions that you can use whenever you want to know about someone's availability. Like if you want to ask them whether they are available tomorrow or not, so you can simply ask them that, are you free tomorrow? Let's meet at 5. So this is the expression that you can use whenever you are finalizing your meetup and finalizing your time. For example, if someone asks you that, are you free tomorrow or are you available tomorrow? So you can say, yeah, I am free. Let's meet at 5 tomorrow. It means that you are confirming that yes, I will gonna meet you tomorrow at 5. Do you want to join? Now, this is another expression that you can use whenever you want to invite someone. Like for example, if you say that we are going to Lucky One, do you want to join us? So it means that indirectly you are inviting them. I am in. This is a way to express or to tell someone that yes, you are actually going to meet them or join them. Like for example, I want to link it with the previous expression. For example, if you are going to Lucky One and now if you want to ask your friend, so you can say, do you want to join us? And let's suppose if they actually or if he actually wants to join you, so he can simply say, I am in. It means that yes, I am coming to meet you. I will let you know or I'll let you know. So it simply means when your plan is not decided. Like for example, if your friends ask you this question that, are you coming tomorrow? So you will say, I'll let you know. It means that your plan is not decided. You are not confirmed whether you will gonna go tomorrow or not. So you will simply reply with, I'll let you know. That sounds fun. For example, if you believe that there is a plan and according to you the plan is very amazing, so you can simply say, that sounds fun. It means that according to you this plan is really amazing. Want to grab coffee? Now this is a very casual expression when you want to invite someone casually over a cup of coffee. So you can say that, free tonight or free this afternoon, want to grab coffee? So it means that you are casually inviting them to have a cup of coffee with you. I am down for that. It's simply that I would like to. Like for example, if your friend tells you this thing that you know that there is a new restaurant in the town, so would you like to try it? So you can simply say, I am down for that. It means that yeah, I would like to visit that new restaurant. So that's all for today guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. In this video, I provide you a couple of the casual, easy English sentences or expressions that you can easily use in your daily routine conversations. So do use them and do let me know in the comment section that how did you find them. Thank you so much and keep liking and keep watching my videos related to English language and keep learning English language with Hisam Academy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay hooked for more.